How today I'm going to show you how to add film grain effect in Kdenlive. So if you want to learn how to do it, you need to open the project, and after that you need to drag and drop your video to the timeline. Now you need to click on your video to select it, and I recommend you to move the cursor to the start. Then we need to go to FX tab, and here on search field we need to type grain. You'll see here the option in the grain and noise settings. Of course, you can find this option manually if you want. So now I need to drag and drop film grain to my video, and it will be successfully added here. But of course, we need to increase the grain amount if you want to see the changes. So for example, I'm going to increase this value to this one. I will increase the red grain to 70. Generally, I will add here the 70% because in my opinion, it looks really great then, so I will increase this value to 70, and you can increase the dust amount maybe to 60 and flicker amount maybe to 60. Okay, after that, if you play your video, you will be able to see here the grain effect, yeah? So how you see, it looks really great in my opinion. If I helped you to use this function, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in a comment if it's not your problem.